Approaching Yellowstone. Line of cars. It's like crossing the border to Turkey. With all the... Anyway. Yeah, this has been going on for about 1.5 kilometers so far, and it will continue. Good day for you bicycle people out there, and for those who do not cycle, which includes everyone. The shoulder is non-existing on these roads. So we're cycling in the middle of the road instead. Dun 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 dun. First time we use this. Very nice. It's the first time. It's a celebration. Hello, sir.
Hello.
I have this.
You're perfect. You need a map.
Yeah, why not?
There you go.
Thank you.
You're good.
Awesome. I'm good. I know I am. Otherwise, I would be bad. Animals are dangerous. Never approach your feet. I always knew it. That canary my friend had when I grew up. That bird, it's dangerous. Okay, soft shoulder, 22 miles. We'll cycle on the road. Be bear aware. Food storage. What do they mean Yellowstone is crowded? There are no people here. There are no cars. It's just me and all the dangerous animals. And you guys, of course. I'm so thankful that you're with me. There is nowhere to stop and put up the camera. This is the only place, and I can't cycle and turn around because there's so much traffic, except from now. So, what we're gonna do instead is we're gonna eat cookies. They're really good. It's a lot of traffic. It's basically like cycling in India, but different. There's a shitload of climbing coming from the south entry. Look the other way. This is where we're going. Very good cookies. This movie might be a bit different because there's nowhere to film. Let's go. I thought so many times I wanted to film without the camera, but there's nowhere to put it. There's nowhere to put it, and there's just so much cars. They came from nowhere. And this is the shoulder we're working with. So many fucking cars. It's ridiculous. And now it starts to rain. Oh, what a wonderful experience Yellowstone is. After a 350-meter elevation climb up, we reached the top of the plateau. The area still has some snow, even though it's early June. The rivers are high right now due to the snow melt, and the water is freezing. The signs of spring are everywhere. So are the cars, of course. This, ladies and gentlemen, is an elk. It just came out of nowhere. Okay. Awesome! That's so freaking cool. Nice! I saw a bison, it was over there behind the trees. And I don't think that people see it because they're too fast with their cars. It's right over there. Nice! I have seen a bison. Wow! I made my way closer to them and got as close as 40 meters. The animals in Yellowstone are used to seeing humans and are not easily scared. However, safety distance should always be accounted for. Here I'm a bit too close. I'm off. He's keeping his eye on me. Look at this. He's been looking at me for 2 minutes now. Why am I so strange to you? I'm just a bike with horns. You want to mate? Yeah, I'm off, sir. That was intimidating. I mean, I came up and he was like eyeballing the shit out of me. I was like, okay, I'm gonna get out of here. This looks like the most inhospitable area in the world. It looks like hell on earth. And in one way it is. More people have actually died from drowning in these hot springs in Yellowstone than from bear attacks. Most people don't go to Yellowstone for its beautiful landscape.
They come here for the wildlife and geology. Yellowstone is home to more than 10,000 hydrothermal features and more than 500 geysers. Over half of the world's geysers are found in this park, and the whole area smells like egg farts. Sulfur, that is. There are over 4,500 bison in Yellowstone, and it's an almost guaranteed sight as you go through the park. Since humans are not allowed to disturb the wildlife, they often create traffic jams. I'm taking cover behind the Corvette.
Yay, Mr. Frenchie!
We once again meet up with Mr. Frenchie and continue throughout the park together. Yellowstone National Park was established in 1872, but human history in the region goes way back, 11,000 years. Since poaching of especially bison was a big problem in the early days of the park, the army took control from 1886 to 1918. Since then, it's the National Park Service that takes care of business here.
Caw-caw! Screw you, cars! Screw you! We are so much faster than the cars. You shall not pass! I'm the king of the hill! It's so funny. Oh my god.
Up by the north entrance lays the small village of Mammoth. Every spring, elk seek refuge from predators here and have their calves. They are highly dangerous. I meet up with Kim, who lives in Mammoth, and she showed me around the park.
I'm just gonna say like, oh, me and Kim, we're going on a safari, yay! Alright. I think we have spotted a bear because the people are crazy. Everybody's running.
At first, I thought it was a black bear due to its sheer size, but later I realized it's a grizzly, a female with 2 cubs. Very, very dangerous since they can run up to 65 kilometers per hour. There are about 150 grizzlies in the park and a total of just above 700 in the greater Yellowstone area.
Yeah, she's coming. Oh, yeah, now she's pretty close. Okay, it is a grizzly.
Yeah, for real. Get your ass.
It is a grizzly.
Yeah, I'm not joking.
Yeah, now I see the ears are totally different.
And the face. Yeah, because when you're this close to talk to me,
Oh wow.
yeah, roll up the window.
No, not yet. Wait. This is kind of like where I would use the bear spray.
Don't put the window up.
Oh, she's right by the car. I'm not joking.
Get your arm in the
No, it's fine. Oh.
No, because I don't want blood in my car.
Oh my god, do you see this?
No, I can't see her. Oh shit.
Wait. This is
I wouldn't get out of your car. She's like right there.
this is so insane.
She's going to share this with me.
This is so insane. Oh, that's a nice shot. This is so fucking cool. This is the coolest shit I've ever seen.
Even though early June, we get some late snowfall over the Grand Canyon of the Yellowstone. 2 entrances to the park got closed as a result of the snowfall, and we had this place all to ourselves.
I looked at balls. Jeez, stop for a second. Those are the biggest ones I've ever seen. Wow. That's a lot of masculinity.
The rivers flow even faster after the snowfall, and we got lucky to also see a bighorn sheep with its lamb baby along the riverside, as well as a climbing black bear. I got shocked over how well it could climb. It acted like a giant squirrel with huge claws. This is why you do not climb a tree if a black bear, which is unlikely, would start chasing you. A wise man once told me, who lived to tell the tale, black, fight back, brown, lay down, white, good night. Thank you for watching the video. We're not done yet, but I want to say thank you first and foremost. Second, I had a nice excitement high for the entire evening that day when I saw the grizzly with the cubs. I wanted to see the grizzly for I don't know how long time. I wanted to see a grizzly since I set my foot in Florida and I heard there were black bears there. So I get very happy. Have you ever been to Yellowstone? If you have, what did you see? And if you haven't, I really suggest you to go. I have posted a lot of info in the description for cyclists, what I wish I knew when I went there, and also just a little bit of random facts that I thought was interesting. Check it out. I want to give a shout out to Ross and Luke, who started supporting me through Patreon. Thank you so much. It means the world to me. As you know by now, it means the world for your support. And also thanks to all my other supporters, of course. I take my hat off to you. Both Luke and Ross joined the Discord server, which you find the link to in the description below. Join it, join the Discord. I have now started to ask around for questions. I'm gonna shoot a video tomorrow where I answer some of these topics that people want to know, some of these nice stuff. Thank you for watching the video.